All right, what up guys, it's Kyle back with That Garage. We got a lot of important stuff to go over in this video. We are upgrading a lot of things on this truck, getting things dialed in. This thing is coming back from the dead. If I could speak today, we'll explain to you what we're doing here. So grab a Coke, grab some popcorn, dive on in. Here we go. All right guys, so if you don't know, in the thumbnail we are going electric power steering. So that means electric power steering column. We are just in the test and tune stage. We're just experimenting. There's a couple different ways you could do it. You could take away that actual pump on the front of the motor, the actual hydraulic pump, and go electric pump. Either put it there or you relocate it. A lot of people put it in the trunk. Obviously there's a truck. Can't do that on this thing. But what I have done is we still have that hydraulic rack and pinion. Now bear with me, hydraulic rack and pinion. Pump on the front of the motor. We took away our 2-to-1, so we got a straight D&D 3/4 inch rod, and we have the Prius steering column, the electric steering column. It's all hooked up, everything's in there. Now, like I said, we're just experimenting. I don't have a power to it yet, but look at the tire moves a little bit. So I tested it out already, meaning on the bench. I bench tested it, and you hook up the brain, power to the brain, and it goes to default mode, and you can pick up way more weight on the down end of the steering column to versus your handle. So there are 3 more wires that I need to hook up. I'm gonna grab a light, get you guys in here, see what we're doing. All right guys, real quick, so I got the hub mounted right there for my steering column, and then everything painted in black right there is kind of the stock bracketry off the stock column. And then I took a couple pieces of channel, obviously welded it in, got the exact angle I want. But look at, here is the motor right there for the Prius steering column. It's kind of hard to see. Let me get the light in there. And then you see these 2 wires going right here. I know it gets kind of dark on you, sorry about that guys. These 2 wires, look at that, are not hooked up yet. There's a brain that I actually mounted up under. It's about right here, it's hooked up under there, that I gotta run power and ground to. So that's what we're gonna get done in this video. Like I said, we're just experimenting. I might have to take off that hydraulic rack and pinion and that freaking pump on the front of the motor and just go manual. So like I said, we're getting down to the meat and potatoes. We're gonna get that brain hooked up and get power to it and see what it does, guys. Cross my fingers. I don't know. Experimenting. Stick with us. What up guys, it's Kyle back with That Garage. We're over at my buddy Chino's house. We're getting ready to manual swap his C10. What year is this? 77?
77.
77 to Cheyenne?
Yep.
So we're going T-56 6-speed. So stay tuned, get some coffee, get some popcorn. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. If I can speak, don't wanna miss this one. All right guys, so we just put the transmission in, mocked it up, figured out where we need to cut out for the actual shifter to go. My buddy just pulled his seat out and he's pulling the carpet up right now. So yep, getting the carpet out. He's gonna go under and have to make some good cuts under there and show us where we really need to start. So hell yeah, stick with us, we're getting to it boys. T-56 6-speed, come on. Six-speed manual. Come on now, better be banging gears, boys. Hell yeah, guys. We're getting it. We got the pilot bearing in. We got to torque down the freaking clutch. Get the clutch installed. Boys, we're getting it. Like, subscribe. This truck's gonna be barking gears here soon. High Garden Garage, baby. All right, guys. We got the pilot bearing installed. We got the hole cut out for the shifter, where it's gonna go right here. Probably gonna have to, you know, dial that in either forward or back a little bit. Once the transmission goes in, still gonna hook up the pedal. This truck is ready for its third pedal, man. My boy right here, I don't know if he's ready for it. You ready for that third pedal, boy?
Yeah, come on.
Awesome, awesome. So that T-56 is going in soon, boys. You gotta torque the clutch down. We still gotta do a few things to it. It's a good start, man. We're just doing it on weekends and after work as we can. So this freaking 77 C10 is gonna be barking gears here soon. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next episode of getting this freaking transmission in her. Come on now.